Here are step-by-step instructions on how to create an awesome custom wrap from Altitude Wraps. Using your desktop web browser, go to altitudewraps.com. Click on Create Your Skin. Select the aircraft. The layout of the aircraft will appear on the screen. Using a screen capture program such as Preview on macOS, highlight the aircraft diagram and save the diagram as a PNG or a JPEG. Open Apple Keynote, Microsoft PowerPoint, or another application that allows graphics and text to be layered and moved. Import the aircraft layout you previously saved. Import logos or other graphics you wish to use. Resize, rotate, and move into position as desired. Add text, select your font, color, size, and position as desired. Add a JPEG or PNG file of the background you wish to use for the entire aircraft. Make sure it covers the entire aircraft layout. Send the background to the back. Select the aircraft layout and delete the layout. Using a screen capture app such as macOS's Preview, highlight the entire graphics area. Save the graphic as a PNG or JPEG. Return to altitudewraps.com. You may have to repeat the original steps to get to the aircraft layout. Click Add Image, then select the source for your image. Browse to the location of the graphic file you saved and select it. Click on the graphic and you can adjust its placement with your mouse. The controls on the right can be used if you need to enlarge or reduce the graphic for a better fit, as well as adjust the rotation of the graphic as needed. Click on 3D Preview to see how your aircraft will look. Use your mouse to drag the 3D image for different viewing angles. If your design looks as awesome on the aircraft as you imagined, you're ready to place your order. If you need to modify the layout, you can repeat the steps discussed in this video until you get the look you want. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tell your friends about Altitude Wraps.